In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send videos without losing quality using Dropbox. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be sending videos like a pro, ensuring that your files arrive in perfect condition without any loss of quality. Let's start by logging into your Dropbox account. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is simple and you'll find it immensely helpful for sharing large files efficiently. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your folders and files. Next, you're going to upload the video you want to share. Locate or create the folder where you'd like to store your video. It's always a good idea to organize your files in folders, especially if you plan to share different files with different people regularly. Once you've chosen the right folder, click the upload button, which you'll typically find at the top of the interface. Browse your computer, select the video, and the upload will begin. Dropbox will handle the heavy lifting, ensuring that your video retains its quality during the transfer. Once uploaded, find your video in the folder. You can easily spot it by its name or by doing a quick search at the top of the Dropbox dashboard. Hover your cursor over the video file or folder. You'll notice several options appear. Click on the share button that pops up. Dropbox makes sharing effortless by providing several channels to send your video. After clicking share, you'll want to copy the link. Dropbox generates a unique link for your file, which is key to maintaining video quality. This link acts as a direct path to your file without compressing it, which often happens with direct email attachments. Click on copy link and decide how you'd like to share it. You can paste the link into an email, send it through chat, or share it using any communication platform you prefer. The beauty of using Dropbox for this task is that anyone with the link will have access. Finally, a significant perk of sharing via Dropbox: recipients can access and download the video regardless of whether they have a Dropbox account. This universal accessibility makes Dropbox an excellent choice for sharing videos with friends, family, or collaborators across different platforms. And there you have it. By using Dropbox, you ensure that the videos you send are of the highest quality, free from the risk of degradation during the sharing process. Remember, organizing your folders, using the sharing link, and choosing the right collaboration tools can make all the difference in a seamless video sharing experience. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.